Today's video is going to be all about my designer handbag collection and my picks for this summer, but it's for the low. We're trying to save all of our change coins, okay?
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sweetie Mensah. If you are new here, I am a published fashion stylist. I also run a blog called Her MO that focuses all on fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. So if you're into that type of content like I am, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also I'm going to leave my link down below so you can follow or check out my blog too. There's so many different ways, so many different sites on how to get handbags or just designer items for the low. And for me, the one that I picked to show you guys today was renting. So we all have heard of Rent the Runway, I'm sure. If you haven't, I'll leave some type of link below. This video is not sponsored or anything. I just thought this was a good idea, to be honest. First handbag I'm going to show you guys is this Marc Jacobs bag. I had this bag in my last video, and everybody was obsessed with it, just like I am. This bag is called the Uptown Croc bag. And you guys can see the crocodile detail. It's the handle for me, child. It's the chain detail for me. I'm obsessed with this. Obviously, you can hold it like this. This looks a little bit more serious to me and more structured. This brings the fun out to play. I love, love, love this bag. You guys seen me style it in my last video. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it somewhere above here and down below. So yeah, I love this bag. It has a little small pocket right here. And then we just twist this and open. And it's pretty spacious. It has all this space inside. You could put everything in here. Everything fits in this bag, okay? So this bag retails for $5.95. And if you had a Rent the Runway subscription, it is going to be $3.57. So it's 40% off. That is a steal for this. Okay. Next up is this Zac Posen purse. This was also in my last video. I styled it with like a white blouse and jean shorts. Again, the chain detail, I'm obsessed. Anything that has a chain detail, I want it. This color is so dope to me. It's pink. It's like a blush pink color, but with like little tints of like gray in it. This bag, I believe, is called the Woodrose buckle crossbody or mini crossbody. So this bag, you just slide this out of its clasp. You open it, and then that's the inside. All right, so this Zac Posen bag retails at $3.25, and on Rent the Runway you can get it for $130. $130. Y'all heard me? Okay, $130. This bag. That's a Zara bag. I feel like Zara sells bags for like $100. No, this is so cute. Now I do have to say, all Zac Posen bags are on sale because he's out of business. I think like, I want to say last October, November-ish of 2019, he went out of business, unfortunately. I don't really know why. I just never really followed up with it, but I do know that he's out of business. So if you go on any website, any like major website like Saks or Bloomingdale's or anything, everything of his is on sale. And it's on sale like not 25%. It's on sale like it's free. Girl, just take it. Don't take it. Just take it. Okay? Next up, we have a designer that I had personally never heard of. I was just so attracted to the bag and it was so eye-catching that I got it anyway. But when I got it, I did some research, and it is this little baby right here. How dope is this? This it's supposed to stay up. It's a little, you know what I'm saying? But we're not going. This is like this. It's a really pretty tangerine color. Has a really cute leather strap, and this detail with this little vintage. This is like giving me real vintage vibes. Y'all know I'm a real vintage type girl, you know what I'm saying? So I'm obsessed with this, and to open it you just slide this down, and it has a magnet that's connecting the two. Open it up and you have a little, this literally, I feel like this is from the thrift store. It feels so vintage, just so like old school luxe to me. I really love this, and it's just really different. Okay, so the brand is called Lizzy Fortunato. It is based in New York City. Well, if you go on their website, there's a whole bunch of jewelry that are statement pieces. Everything kind of looks like very natural, handmade type vibe, but their bags for me is what I like. So their purses and their little leather goods. I love this. Right. Our next bag is another Zac Posen. This is so cute. This is so cute. So this color is amazing. It's like, it's yellow, but it's like in between mustard and yellow. Okay? It's so cute. I believe this bag is called like the mini top handle, or the mini top. I'm gonna leave everything below. You already know I love this chain. And then to open it, you just twist this. This is like, this screams like summer day to me. So this is that. This bag retails at $250. $250. And if you get it on Rent the Runway has it for $95. It's $95, okay? So cute. I love this bag. Next is this amazing Phillip Lim, oh my God, Croc clutch. So cute. You guys, it's not picking up the color, but it's like a highlighter slime green yellow crocodile detail. I'm obsessed with this. This is called the Alix. The Alix Croc. It's called the Alix Croc clutch. So you could put it, you can make this long and have it like a crossbody. So this could be day, and then you can make it night real quick. Love. So cute. So there's not a lot of room in here. It's a clutch, okay? So this is just for your phone and your wallet. That is it. That is all. This retails for $5.95, and on Rent the Runway it is $178.50. $178.50. Okay. This next bag and last bag is probably my ultimate favorite. It is from a brand that is based in London. The name is French, and I really don't want to mess it up. This is the front of it. So I wrote it down. So it's called, I don't know if it's called Danse or Danse Lente. I don't know how to pronounce it. For anybody who speaks French, help me out please. But this is so cute. This is my favorite bag that I have so far. So this bag is the Cactus Mini Johnny bag. I love. It has a handle that you can hold like this. And then this little detail is everything. The color is just so vibrant. The back of it is like this. And you just open it. It snaps right here. You just open it. It has a little detail right here. And you can fit everything in here. Everything that you want to put in your house could be in this bag. They have so many different colors and different like color combinations that I would love to try out. I love this bag. This bag retails for $430, and then on Rent the Runway it is $215. So that's 50% off. So you'd be able to get this bag for 50% off. If you go on their website, child, On their website, there's so everything. I want everything. There's these bags called, I think, the Phoebe bag. They come in different variations. Love. There's I think a Luna. There's a bag called the Luna bag or the Lola bag. It just looks like a big pillow. Love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna leave their website down below so you guys can check it out. Of course, on their website it's gonna be full prices, but this is still considered affordable luxury designer bags. This is it. And if renting is just not your thing and you want other websites and just different ways to find cheaper, affordable designer purses, I'm gonna leave a link down below. All you're gonna have to do is click it. You'll be able to download an entire list of different websites and different ways that you would be able to get designer handbags for the low, okay? If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite bag, and also share it with one of your homegirls. You know, we all trying to be fly this summer, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video.
Like,
bye.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal.